Hi, I'm Iwamoto of Kobayashi-Foods. Today, I explain the characteristic of the soup stock using dried kelp. And then, I explain simply how to get the delicious soup stock. After having seen this video, you will be able to do it. Let's begin it. I explain the characteristic of the kelp stock. A characteristic of the kelp stock is refined and modest taste. You may feel that you are unsatisfactory in only kelp stock. However, you draw the taste of other ingredients when you use the kelp stock for dishes. A taste ingredient called the glutaminic acid enters the kelp, and another taste ingredient called the inosinic acid enters the meat and fish. Actually, deliciousness increases when two kinds of taste ingredients are mixed. When inosinic acid and glutaminic acid are mixed, taste becomes around 8 times. Therefore, the kelp stock makes meat and fish dishes delicious. And then I explain how to get the delicious kelp stock. It is very simple. Please prepare for these to cook delicious kelp stock. Tools to set up are these: 1 pot and 1 pan. Materials to prepare for are these: kelp 20 gram, water 1000 ml. At first, please put water and kelp in the pot and soak it in a refrigerator more than 10 hours. This is important. If possible, let's cut the kelp and soak water. It becomes easy to get the taste ingredient. More than 10 hours later, take out kelp. Move the stock in a pan and let it heat up and boil. Delicious soup stock was completed. This is important because of taking the smell of the kelp. Boil the soup after having taken out kelp. The kelp stock makes meat and fish dishes delicious. Let's cook delicious dishes using kelp stock. Thank you for all seeing it. See you.